Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Lungtan Township, meaning Dragon Pond in English, is home to three major attractions. The Lungtan Pond, which includes a famous temple, is a leisure area popular with tourists. Lungtan Oblation Furnace and Yongfu Temple are popular spots for the local faithful to pray. And before leaving Lungtan, don't forget to buy some peanut candy snacks that are a local delicacy.
在桃园县龙潭乡，三坑子曾是大汉溪流域繁荣的河港村落，客家话的意思是指三条溪。到龙潭可以参观著名的地标龙潭大池、永福宫及三级古迹圣基亭，还有著名的花生软糖可以当伴手礼带回家。Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
大家好，我是李黄。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Again, we're taking you to a lot of different towns here in Taiwan. We're still in Taoyuan, and we're going to talk about some traditional Hakka stuff right here. If you ever go to Taoyuan's Longtan town, you should visit the Longtan Lake, because that's exactly what it means. Longtan is actually the dragon lake.
对，以前我们两个就会讲个坦。但是有一个传说故事，就是有龙在里头。
Oh, okay. The reason the town got its name is because there has been rumors that in the past that they've seen dragons inside the lake, and so now it's called the Dragon Lake, Longtan. And so you got to go check out Longtan 大池。怎么讲呢？
龙潭台池。
龙潭台池 that is the Longtan Lake that is found in Longtan town.
哦，还有你做的去参觀嘅三行嘅元福宮，一個當天當有名嘅廟哦。
哦，很有名的廟是不是？叫做什麼？
元福宮。
元福宮 ，OK, that's the Yongfu Palace that is also found in Longtan.
當然來到一個龍潭哦，可以買嘅當好食嘅飯條糖。
啊，這不用你說，每次開高速公路都會看到花生糖，對不對？
飯條糖。
飯條糖 ，peanut candy is very well known over there.
但是有分硬的跟軟的嘛。
哦，
那硬的就叫硬嘅，
硬嘅；
軟的就叫軟嘅，
軟嘅。所以如果只是花生糖就是飯條糖 ，but if you want to have 花生軟糖的話，
飯條軟糖，
飯條軟糖 ，OK 也對了啊。
對。
So let's review these terms. 龍潭，
龍潭，
龍潭。You want to go to the Yongfu Palace, 永福宮。
元福宮，
元福宮。And you want to try out the peanut candy over there, 花生糖，
飯條糖，
飯條糖。And if it's soft, it should be 軟的，
軟嘅，
軟的。And if it's hard candy,
硬嘅，
硬嘅。So whatever you like, go have some peanut candy in Longtan and hope you have fun. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺自say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.